Okay, so I don't even have time to tag this, give you a title. 10 minutes ago, probably 9 minutes ago, Sarah and I said we are about to sit down with our coffee, with our laptops, and we are going to start writing and working on this book. So this is what happens. Can you hear that clonking in the background? Sarah is now making more coffee, fried eggs, coconut oil. She's off on a tangent. We have now been getting some feedback from who can actually come and commit to our time when we were in Greece. So now we're all excited because we've got a Turkish playwright and a Greek storyteller who's also a pediatrician. And we've got all these things that we're going, oh, this is so exciting. We need to add them to our list because we don't always know who's going to show up when we're there on the Greek island. And so here we are, already distracted. And that's what happens to you when you're writing your book. So I am normally the stricter of the two, but sometimes we bounce around a little bit. Sarah is just cooking up a storm. Now she's eating snack bread. And I'm going to have to bring ourselves back to our book because we have now committed very publicly to you guys. We're going to keep giving you some crazy videos about what we do or don't get up to. We've just, though, been chatting through our big why. Why are we writing this book? Who is it for? What do we want it to do? Who we're going to give it to? How we're going to sell it? We've been doing all of that big picture stuff because that will always pull us back into line. It will bring us into alignment, actually, about what do we need to do to stop worrying whether we've got lipstick on for live videos. And there she is with her food. We'll see you later.